Welcome to Pub Office Project. I am Mohammad Sarfraz, your instructor. Today topic is what is primary key in MS Access. We will discuss it in three steps. Step 1, normal key. What is normal key? Any attribute, any field or any column in a table is a normal key. Here we have a table TBL employees. TBL employees have 6 attributes. Each attribute have a key, and this key normally is called the normal key. M code as a normal key, M name as a normal key, NIC normal, M passport normal, M gender normal, M department normal. Now, what we do? We will select those keys from these 6 keys which can be unique or cannot be duplicate. I repeat, we will choose those fields from these 6 fields which can be unique or cannot be duplicate. See carefully, amp code cannot be duplicated. We cannot repeat it. Every amp has a different amp code. Same, every employee have a different NIC number. Same, every employee has a different passport number. But the name can be the same. Amp code, the employee which have amp code 1 may be name Amjad, and amp 2 also be named as Amjad. Same gender will repeat, male, and this gender will also be male. Department HR and department account. M code 1 name Amjad is working in HR department, and M2 name Amjad is working in account department. When we select those ID which can be unique, it will becomes the candidate keys. It will become the candidate key. M code, when we select as a candidate key, candidate key, candidate key, and candidate key, we will select a set of candidate keys from this table. After select a set of candidate key, we will select one key from these 3 candidate keys as a primary key. Step 2, a normal key which can be uniquely identified in a table like roll number, NIC number, passport number is called candidate key. Selection of one key from a set of candidate key is called a primary key. What is the characteristics of candidate key and primary key? Candidate key will be unique, mean it cannot be repeated, it will not duplicate. Suppose NIC will always be unique of each employee. Passport will also be unique of each employee. And what is the characteristics of primary key? Same, Number one, unique, but it has a further characteristic. This is the not null. Not null means mandatory field, mean it is compulsory to put data in this field, or we cannot be left blank this field. Now we will see this practice in MS Access database. We have a practice database and we have already a table TVL employees here. We have discussed how to create table in our previous lesson. The people who want to watch those lessons, I have given the link below this description box. This TBL employees has the same 6 attributes, but all attributes are showing as a normal key. We will select one as primary key and two AMP NIC and AMP passport as candidate key from this. We can do close it, right click on the table and press design view. In design view, we will select AMP code, right click on AMP code and press primary key. After pressing, it will become the primary key. Now we will select NIC field as candidate key. To make it candidate key, we will go to below in properties and go to index box. In index box, we will select from index box no duplicates. Yes, no duplicates. When we select yes, no duplicates, it will become the candidate key. Same process we will repeat for AMP passport. We will go to index property and select the yes, no duplicates. After this, we will press save button, close the design view and double click to open the TBL employees. Now we will put data here, AMP code 1, AMP name, Amjad, AMP NIC 11, AMP passport 22, gender male, department HR. Go to the next record from below record selector. Here we will give the name Muhammad, male, and department account. Notice we have nothing put in AMP code cell, but we have a characteristics of this. Primary key not null, means we cannot left it blank. When we will go to the next record, system will throw an error to us. You must enter a value in the AMP code field. Mean we cannot left it blank. We will have to give the number here. Suppose we will give the number 1 and then press the next record. System will give an error again to us. This will identify that M code is repeated. The changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index primary key. Mean we cannot repeat number here. We will have to give an other number. So we'll give the M code 2. Same next record. Here we will give the number 3. Maybe this employee is also named Muhammad. Notice here we have repeat the passcode, but when this is a candidate key and when we see characteristic of candidate key, it will be unique, mean dot not duplicate. When we will give a duplicate in the passcode field and go to next record, system will throw an error. The changes you requested to the table were not successful because we are repeating here. So we will have to give an other number. Now it is clear to all the difference between candidate key and primary key. Primary key will be unique and we cannot left it blank, while the candidate key will be uniquely identified, not repeat it, but we can left it blank. Suppose here we have a new record. Alia, NIC, email, HR, and go to next record. Notice we have left blank the candidate key, but system accepts it and no error display for this transaction. In next lesson, we will discuss how to modify a table. And at the end, again, I will request to all to press to subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.